Welcome back. Goa celebrated Eid-ul-Azha along with nation on Monday. Muslims offered special prayers in mosque and sacrificed animals. Goans wished each other Eid Mubarak. Here are celebrations of Eid across the state.
आज के इस मुक़द्दस दिन, इस मुबारक मौके पर हम यहाँ से सबको खुशियों का पैगाम देते हैं और सबके लिए दुआ करते हैं, और जो भटके हुए हैं, भूले हुए हैं, उनके लिए भी हिदायत की दुआ करते हैं कि अल्लाह सबको सीधे रास्ते पर लाए। किसी भी मज़हब के हों, किसी धर्म के मानने वाले हों, मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना। हम सबको मज़हब इंसानियत का दर्श देता है।
ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, सब लोगों को हमारा ईद मुबारक।
ईद-उल-अज़हा, ईद कुर्बां की मुबारकबादी पेश करते हैं।
ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, सब लोगों को हमारा ईद मुबारक। ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, सब लोगों को हमारा ईद मुबारक।
आज ईद के इस मौके पर हम लोग भाईचारे का एक सबूत पेश करते हैं। हर रिलीजियस के लोग हमारे घर आते हैं, सेवइयाँ खाने के लिए आते हैं, शुरकुमा वगैरह खाते हैं, और हम भी उनके ऐसे दिवाली के मौके पर, क्रिसमस के मौके पर वहाँ पर जाते हैं। यह आज का दिन बड़ी खुशी का दिन है।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट।
Even after 4 days, Panji police has failed to trace missing Veda and her 3-year-old daughter. Brother of Veda, Venu, has told Prudent that his sister has left home due to continuous physical and mental torture for dowry. Venu also claimed that his father had given 13 lakh rupees since her marriage to her in-laws. Veda, with her minor daughter, had left her in-laws' place at Donapaul on 2nd October. While talking to Prudent from Karnataka, brother of missing Veda, Venu, told that his family is searching Veda at every possible place, but they have no clue about Veda or her 3-year-old daughter. Venu also told that since Veda's marriage with Donapaula-based Pramod K, in-laws family had demanded and accepted dowry from them of 250 grams of gold, 1 kilo of silver articles and 13 lakh cash on different occasions.
Whenever she was in Goa, he used to give mentally harassment, and he was couple of times he has beaten my sister also, sir. He has slapped, and not only my sister, I don't know what happened to him. He has beaten to her daughter also.
Panji police say that they are trying to trace missing Veda and her kid, but they have failed so far because she did not carry a mobile phone. Panji police also said that even after the complaint of dowry by Veda's father, they can't arrest accused in-laws following a Supreme Court order. On 2nd October, Veda with her daughter had left her rented in-laws' place. She had left a note addressing to her husband stating that she is living along with their daughter and she will commit suicide. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. New Daboli Airport has capacity of almost 1 crore 36 lakhs passengers per year. Goa government's RFQ for Mopa Airport estimates air traffic of 1.30 cr per year by 2045. Is there a need of another airport till 2045? Convener of Peoples for Daboli only, Father Ermito Rebello, has asked this question in our weekly program Head On. He also revealed that former Union Aviation Minister Ajit Singh had openly told him that there is pressure to build a new airport from people who have bought land around the airport site.
Now, on what grounds you are claiming that sufficiency of Daboli?
पहिल्या फेजाची कॅपॅसिटी 44 lakhs.
बरोबर.
Second फेजाची 58 lakhs. And third phase that will complete in 2045 13.1. दाबोलीचो न्यू टर्मिनलाची आमचे लगी आसा ते बरयल्ले आमकां आरटीआयन दिला ते प्रमाणे पळय. सो द कॅपॅसिटी विल बी 13.65. So where is lies the need for another airport? हायकोर्टाचें कन्क्लुजन सांगता the best solution of Goa is single airport. Air traffic of Goa, ADPI सांगता by 2035 it may reach to 7.3. ICAO सांगता it may reach to 9.2 by 2035. दाबोलीचे एअरपोर्टाची न्यू टर्मिनल कॅपॅसिटी इज 13.65 million. So I don't understand why is the government is going ahead. आता नवो एअरपोर्ट मोपाक बांदून सिंधुदुर्ग आणि महाराष्ट्र डेव्हलप करूंक सोदता, हो गोंयकारांक डेव्हलप करूंक सोदता, हो मोठो प्रश्न.
So unless and until you create that mass movement, things are not going to change.
And now once again आम्ही परतून लोकांची वयता. We are going to revive the village wise meetings. जेन्ना आम्ही अजित सिंग the former aviation minister मेळ्ळे, the first things that came out from his mouth that time, there are lot of compulsion to build that airport from those who bought the land around the airport area. These were his words.
He told you this directly.
हे डायरेक्टली सांगला सारखे. माझी कमिटी असली, आम्ही कमिटी बरोबर सांगला.
किती म्हणतात की मोपा has become a land mafia operation.
असे झाले न्हू.
I am proud of my country, but I was obliged to follow the clauses in my contract. The first runner-up at Miss United Continent 2014, Gail Nicole D'Silva, reacted on her controversial picture where she is posing in bikini with Indian flag. Goa-based model returned on Monday after winning Miss United Continent's first princess title. Her Facebook pic became controversial as many considered her pose with a tricolour as an insult to national flag. She was welcomed by her family and friends at Daboli Airport.
The first runner-up at the Miss United Continent 2014, Gail Nicole D'Silva, has come up in controversy for posing in a bikini with Indian flag. When media questioned, she said she was duty-bound. She is blaming it on a contract.
I wouldn't want to criticize back or say anything back to them. I think that's their point of view. I feel very proud of my country, and I think I was under obligations to do that when I was in South America. It was in my contract, so I couldn't help it. But I think at every point of my life, I'm always proud of my country.
India's beautiful Gail Nicole D'Silva won the hearts of all and emerged as the first runner-up at the Miss United Continent 2014 pageant held in South America.
I had won Miss India Goa in 2012. I was in the top 10, and then I won Miss India in 2014 this year, second runners up, and I represented India at Miss United Continent, and I bagged the title of first runners up.
Gail also bagged the Miss Photogenic title in the finale night. Gail's costume, designed by Melvin Narona, made Stunning Beauty win the Best National Costume Trophy in the pageant as well. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.